Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll see KCET answer key 2021 biology. I have set C2. All the sets contain same questions but they are randomly arranged. So we'll see first question. First question is, which cell of the female gametophyte is involved in formation of primary endosperm nucleus PEN after fertilization? The correct option is D, central cell. Second question, in the given diagram of the human sperm, identify the function of the labeled parts of A, B and C. The correct option is B, that is A helps in penetration of sperm into ovum, B provides energy for movement of sperm, C helps in movement of sperm. Third question, select the correct part of flow of milk during breastfeeding. Correct option is D, that is alveoli, 2 mammary tubules, 2 mammary duct, 2 mammary ampulla, 2 lactiferous duct. Fourth question, under the influence of oxytocin, which layer of uterus exhibits strong contraction during parturition? Correct option is B, myometrium. Question 5th, select the incorrect statement about contraceptives. The incorrect statement is option A, that is they are regular requirements for maintenance of reproductive health. Sixth, the method of directly injecting a sperm into ovum is called C, ICSI. Seventh question, match the column 1 with column 2 and find the correct answer. The correct option is C, that is aneuploidy, loss or gain of chromosome, monoploidy, a single set of chromosomes, polyploidy, increase in the whole set of chromosomes, diploidy, 2 sets of chromosomes. Question 8, the genotype of husband and wife are IA, IB and IAIO. Among the blood types of their children, how many different genotype and phenotype are possible? The correct option is B, that is 4 genotype and 3 phenotypes. Ninth question, what is the possible blood group of children whose parents are heterozygous for A and B blood groups? The correct answer is B, that is A, B, AB and O. 10th question, match the column 1 with column 2. First, the correct option is option D, that is autosomal trisomy is Down syndrome, allosomal trisomy is Klinefelter syndrome, autosomal monosomy is Turner syndrome, cystic fibrosis is Mendelian disorder. Question 11, which among the following characters selected by Mendelian in pea plant is a resistive character? Correct option is option C, that is white flower. 12th question, match the scientist of column 1 with their contribution in column 2. The correct option is option C, that is for Griffith it is a transforming principle, Jacob and Monod is Lacoperon, Meselson and Stahl, DNA replicates semi-conservatively, Hershey and Chase, DNA is a genetic material. 13th question, in which region of the tRNA molecule is the amino acid binding site located? Correct option is C, that is 3' end. 14th question, E. coli fully labeled with 15N is allowed to grow in 14N medium. The 2 strands of DNA molecules of the first generation bacteria have, correct option is option C, that is different density but do not resemble with their parent DNA. 15th question, experiments involving using the radioactive thymidine to detect the distribution of newly synthesized DNA in the chromosome was performed on which plant? That is option A, Vicia faba. 16th question, if the sequence of nucleotide in the template strand of DNA is 3' ATGCTT CCGAAT 5', write the sequence in the corresponding region of the transcripted mRNA. Correct option is option B, that is 5' UAC GAA GGC UUA 3'. 17th question, pneumonia is caused by. The correct answer is option C, that is both A and B, Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. The development of quick immunoresponse in a person infected with deadly microbes by administering preformed antibodies is option D, passive immunization. Question 19. Which is the most feared property of malignant tumor? Correct option is option B, that is metastasis. Question 20. Identify the techniques useful in detecting the cancers of internal organs. The correct option is option D, that is all CT, MRI and radiography. Question 21. Which among the following plant is a source of drug which is native to America? Correct option is option B, Erythroxylum coca. Question 22. The technology of biogas production was developed in India due to the efforts of. Correct answer is option D, that is both A and B, that is KVIC and IARI. 26th question. Which among the following products of microbes is not obtained from fungi? That is option C, Swiss cheese. Question 24. The correct option is option A, that is cytosporin A is immunosuppressive agent, streptokinase is clot buster, statin is blood cholesterol lowering agent and penicillium is antibiotics. Question 25th. Taq polymerase that finds the application in PCR is obtained from option A, Thermus aquaticus. Question 26. Rope gene, which codes for the protein involved in the replication of plasmid PBR322 in E. coli, is located at restriction site of option C, PVU2. Question 27. Rapid antigen test and RT-PCR are the two diagnosis tests for COVID-19 virus. PCR, a molecular diagnostic tool, stands for option A, polymerase chain reaction. Which of the following diagnostic tools allows the detection of very low concentration of bacterium or virus by amplifying their nucleic acid? Correct option is option B, that is PCR. Silencing of gene could be achieved through the use of option C, both A and B. Question 30. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is used into the treatment of emphysema. Option C. Question 31. Identify the correct statement from the following. The correct answer is option C, that is only 3. The life cycle of endoparasites is more complex due to their extreme specialization. Relate column 1 with the column 2 with regards to predatory behavior. The correct option is option B, that is 1 to S, 2 P, 3 Q and 4 R. Question 33. Small mammals and birds are rarely found in polar regions. The reason is that the correct option is option A, that is they have a larger surface area related to their volume. Question 34. Identify the incorrect statement. The incorrect statement is option D, that is tribes living in higher altitude have the same RBC count as people living in the plains. Question 35. Population size keeps changing depending on different factors such as. Correct option is option D, that is all the above. Identify the incorrect statement. The correct option is option C, that is only 4. Temperate regions have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years. Question 37. The correct equation depicting species area relationship is option A, log S equal to log C plus Z log A. Question 38. Match the column 1 with the column 2. The correct option is option C, that is 1 to R, 2 P and 3 Q. Identify the correct statements about exitive conservation. The correct option is option C, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 40. The concept of contagium vivum fluidium was given by option C, M.W. Bajorinic. Identify the odd one out, that is option A. Question 42. The plant body having hold fast, stiff and front is a character of option A. Question 43. Identify the correct statements regarding class Aves. The correct answer is option D, that is all are correct. Question 44. Epigynous flower is one in which? Correct option is option B, that is ovary is inferior and other floral parts are superior. Question 45. The following types of cell junction is not found in animal tissue. The correct option is option D, that is loose junction. Question 46. A bacterial flagellum is composed of option A, filament, hook and basal body. Question 47. Match the column 1 with the functions of column 2. The correct option is option D, that is 1, 2R, 2S, 3Q and 4P. 48. The correct sequence of the event in prophase 1 is option A. Question 49. The enzyme that is not found in C3 plants is PEP carboxylase. 50. Match the location of cell given in column 1 with the function in the column 2. The correct option is option A, that is 1, 2P, 2R, 3S and 4Q. 51. Identify the incorrect statements. The correct option is option D, that is 1 and 5. Question 52. Calculate the cardiac output of an individual having 70 heartbeats per minute with a stroke volume of 55 ml. Correct option is option C, that is 3850 ml. Question 53. In a standard ECG, one of the following functions of its components is not correctly interpreted. That is option A. P is contraction of only left atria. 54. Match the hormones of column 1 with the functions of column 2. The correct option is option A, that is 1S, 2R, 3Q and 4P. Question 55. How many microsporangia are located at the corners of a typical bilobed anther of angiosperm? That correct option is option B, that is 4. Question 56. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, the number of male gametes produced is several thousand times the number of female gametes produced. Reason is large number of male gametes fail to reach the female gametes during transport. The correct option is option B, that is both assertion and reason are correct. Question 57. In the given diagram, identify the parts labeled as A, B and C and D. The correct option is A, that is A is coleoptile, B is scutellum, C pericarp and D is coleorhiza. Question 58. Consider the following statements and choose the correct answer from the given option. The statement 1 is innermost layer of the microsporangium is tapetum, and statement 2 is cells of the tapetum possess dense cytoplasm, more than one nucleus and nourishes developing pollen grains. The correct option is option B, that is both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Question 59. Identify the correct statement. The correct option is option A, that is only one megaspore present towards chalazal end remains functional. Question 60. Which of the following aquatic plants does not show pollination by water? The correct option is option C, that is water hyacinth. These are the key answers for Biology CET question paper set C2. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment it. Thanks for watching.